In the middle of the World Cup's most watched matches, cameras have begun to linger on something unexpected: bright pink soccer cleats. At first glance it looks like a fashion statement, but the story behind those shoes runs deep. The trend started when a handful of high-profile players, most notably Brazil's forward and a rising star from Japan, chose pink studs to honor Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which runs throughout October, the very month the tournament is being held. Their clubs, sponsors, and national federations quickly joined the movement, providing limited-edition pink boots that carry a QR code linking to donation platforms. Why is it trending now? The World Cup is the most watched sporting event on the planet, delivering billions of impressions in real time. When a player steps onto the pitch in a vivid hue that deviates from the traditional black or white, social media erupts. Clips of the cleats are replayed, memes are born, and news outlets pick up the story, amplifying its reach. The timing also aligns with a global push for gender equality in sports. Pink, once dismissed as a female color, is being reclaimed as a symbol of empowerment and solidarity across gender lines. The broader impact stretches beyond a single tournament. Brands are seeing a surge in demand for purpose-driven merchandise, and football associations are considering permanent color coding for cause-related campaigns. Moreover, the visibility of the pink cleats has sparked conversations about athletes using their platforms for social good, encouraging fans to contribute to charitable causes. In the long run, this could reshape sponsorship models, where emotional resonance outweighs pure commercial branding. As the World Cup continues, we'll likely see more teams adopt color-coded gear to spotlight issues ranging from mental health to environmental sustainability, turning the beautiful game into a catalyst for global change.